Hi guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can fix your broken eyeshadow palette. So mine broke during a job I went for. It broke very bad, and the middle part, which I like the most. So today's video, we need just three things: mentholated spirit, paper towel or tissue paper, and then wet wipes. Also something to use to scoop. So because of the way my eyeshadow palette is made, it broke into each other. So what I'm going to be doing next is to use a paper towel to cover the surface and turn those colors over. By turning it over, I'll get them, each of the colors, to separate so I can be able to transfer them into their palette. So once I'm done turning it over, the next thing I'll be doing is to transfer it. You can use a spoon like I showed earlier. You can use a plastic spoon to fetch each of these powder colors into their original palette. So you do that carefully. Use the spoon or whatever you want to use. Your hand, it is too small so you cannot use your hand, so use a spoon like this one. Make sure you take the colors carefully so that you don't scoop another color into another one. Like this palette now has purple on. I was very careful to take out only the brown. So when you're done taking out the colors, the next thing you're going to be doing is to use your fingers to try to scatter. You can use a spoon to scatter like this. Scatter the broken eyeshadow so it becomes powdery. Once it's powdery, it'll be easy for you to press it down, like smoothing it, make it more powdery. This one is already powdered with the spoon on this paper towel. So once you're done powdering it, the next thing you'll be doing is to add the mentholated spirit. Mentholated spirit now is what that will make the palette, the powder, get joined together again. So you pour just a small amount into the eyeshadow palette and then use your fingers to press it down like this. Press it down very well. Then you can go ahead to use a paper towel to dab out any excess of that spirit. After that, you go ahead to clean your palette. Clean it very well. You can use your paper towel. You can also use a wet wipe, which I'm also using in that particular place. I'm just using my brush to clean out the excess of the other colors. And once I'm done with that, I will then go ahead to show you the after. Like, this method is so good because you will not have to get a new palette. You can see the powder is not turning over anymore. It has now gotten stuck to the plate. And that's all. Please like, share and subscribe to encourage me to make more videos like this. See you on the next video.